Hey Matt, this is Benny, man. Really quickly, I just want to go over something. I was looking ahead, man, to my final project, and basically, it's gonna build off of the assignment that you're helping me on. And so I was looking here, so link, it needs to be 7 pages, right? So separate web page for each of the certain projects. So basically, it's gonna be 7 pages, right? And each page will have like an introduction, a multimedia educational technology statement, and the requirements is that it has intro, complete instruction set, HTML, link to the original PDF file or viewable file type. So we're gonna have to like link in the PDFs, or I guess substitute a viewable file type into each web page, and then a link to the original design document, so the PDF document. So we're gonna have to link the I guess the design documents as well, the PDF. So I guess we have to figure out a way to link the original PDFs onto the website. And then reflection, I'll do this. I'm gonna write this, and I'm gonna write the intro. So I guess I just need help in steps 2 through 4. And then again, reflection. So I'm gonna take care of that. And so let me show you what I'm thinking about doing now, since next week pretty much I'm gonna have to turn this in, and instead of starting from scratch, man, I rather like you help me, you know, on this assignment that's gonna build towards that assignment and do it the correct way. And if it takes you, I mean, however many hours it takes you, man. I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to re up hours and scratch, find some money to make sure you get paid, man. And again, I want to thank you for helping me out. So let me show you. All right, so what I've envisioned. Okay, so the files that I shared with you are here, and I put them, I guess, date modified, so I organize them according to date modified. So like all the recent documents are on top, right? And so um, any pertinent files are kind of like towards the top, right? So okay, so what I was thinking about doing, man, is keeping the home page, the home page, and it's just basically gonna be like it's, I'll come up with a header, basically driving from a standstill, multimedia instruction. I'll come up with a header. So click on the home page, right? So instead of having like this PDGA, what I was thinking about doing maybe is like taking a screenshot of like like the instructional set. Like for example, um, like if we like take this one for example, or let me back up a little bit. Okay, so each one of these is gonna be like a type of instruction, right? Each of the pages, and so the home page will be the home page. This first page can be like the text instruction, so text instruction will go there. Then we could do visual instruction as a second one, so visual instruction will go there. And then after that, it'll be the visual text instruction, which will go there. And then it'll be the audio visual instruction, which will go there. And then followed by the video instructional video instruction. If we could create another page for that, that would be great, man. We could do like the video instruction at the end, and then for each page, like if it's the video instruction, we can have the actual video here playing, so we can click on it and it'll play. But if it's like a document, especially like if it's that long ass document, some of these documents are just one page, like the visual text and the audio visual, the audio visual and the visual instruction, these two are one pages. So we could just add that, that page here, and I guess just kind of like make it look nice. Maybe it could take like the whole of this, and then I can add like the intro and like whatever I need to write, I can do here, and I can change the headings and add the text, no big deal. But if we could put the graphic, here, like let's say, yeah, like the visual instruction or the audio visual, those would be easy because they're one page. But for example, when we get to this one here, that's like the visual text instruction. That was like 8 pages. And then there was another one that was like the text instruction. It was there like I don't know, like 10 pages as well. So okay, so what I was thinking about doing, man, to satisfy this product, right? Link to the original design document PDF or link to original instructional set PDF or viewable file type is you know, taking a screenshot and then like linking it. So if we click it, it'll actually, you know, take us to like the actual PDF. And the only way I know how to link, man, is if we use like Blend Space. It's like a website where you can put files through Google, but I don't know if there's a way maybe we can link them through Google Docs, man, or something. But when we click on it, it'll take us to that PDF, and then preferably like it already has all the links on it, so that we won't have to redo them. But I mean, if we have to redo them, that's no big deal. And I guess if that doesn't work, is if we can create like a huge table here, and I guess how you were talking about taking a screenshot of each file, and then like overflowing it, so it'll have like like a little scroll, and then people can scroll through like the document, and then I guess I could go in there and then hot link, you know, just go over all the links that need to be put in, and I can put them in, no big deal. But preferably, if we can have the graphic, and then when people click on it, it'll take them to that original PDF. That would be great, since that's what my final project, you know, is going to be a requirement for my final project. So again, backtracking a little bit. So we're going to use this format. The home page is going to be, driving from a standstill, media, multimedia instruction, and we can put some sort of graphic here. All right, so for the home page, the graphic we could put, I figured it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this video. I'm gonna take a screenshot of like, me, going over the steps, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add it, man, to this folder that I'm sharing with you, and it'll be like the first one here, and I'll name it like, home page graphic or home page picture, and so the home page can be that, and then you can just leave the text as is. I'll modify it. I'll add an introduction and and all that stuff. So you can just leave that as is. Um, the next page can be the text instruction. So text instruction is going to be that next page. All right, and so again, like if you can just like put a graphic. Um, and I'm thinking, yeah, because we don't want to just put like a screenshot of I mean, we could just put a screenshot of one of the pages of the text instruction or the home page. Yeah, we could put like the top page. So if we look at the text instruction, I guess if worst comes to worst, just take a screenshot of this text instruction, and put that here, and then we can link it so that when people click on it, it'll open the original PDF. That will be beautiful. And then here I can put like the other requirements. It's no big deal. Um, and so on and so forth, man. And so like each page will be like a different instructional set, you know. So then the next one would be a visual text instruction. And so like I said, some of these, like this one, will only be one page. So that would be pretty simple. If we could actually put the PDF, that would be wonderful. Um, The visual instruction should be the second one. If we could actually put the PDF in there, that would be beautiful. If not, I mean, for this one, it would be pretty simple to take a screenshot and then add it in there. So it'll be like a screenshot here. And that one will be pretty simple. And then all the way down, and then if you can add another one for the video, I know I'm repeating, but the video, yeah, so the last page would be the video. And I guess, you just put the video there all big. And then leave these to me, I'll modify them. And so I guess, so I know we had come up with a plan, but looking ahead, man, I'd rather, do it so that, I mean, it builds towards my final project. It's like a foundation, so I can add stuff and work towards the final project. So these are the requirements, and so and these are the files. And like I said, right now I'm gonna take some screenshots of some possible graphics. If you want to add them for sure for the homepage, I'll take a screenshot for that. I'll name it a homepage graphic, and for the homepage, man, if you could just add that there, and I can do the text, no big deal. And then I'll do like a little simple introduction, etc., etc. I'm thinking I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow, man. So like, if this wasn't clear, feel free to text me, shoot me an email. We'll stay in contact. I know you said we're gonna work on it in the morning. Um, yeah, that would be great, man. Just shoot me a text. I guess when you're about to work on it, I'm probably gonna be off. Um, and then yeah, man, I'll re-up because I'm sure. I mean, need your help now, and then probably I'm gonna need your help again for the final project, man. So I want to re-up. I know I need to re-up soon, so I'll do that, man. So anyway, man, shoot me a text, send me an email, if you're not clear on what to do, man. All right, thanks.